Let's hear the following sound demonstrations recorded with real hearing aids.
Traditional hearing aids process sound as one input and one output.
This way of sound processing is limited, especially in noisy social situations.
Traditional hearing aids process sound as one input and one output.
This way of sound processing is limited, especially in noisy social situations.
G8 hearing aids feature the revolutionary multi-track processing, up to 5 independent audio tracks.
4 of the tracks specialize for conversation with multiple speakers at once.
And one track maintaining environmental awareness.
G8 hearing aids feature the revolutionary multi-track processing with up to 5 independent audio tracks.
4 of the tracks specialize for conversation with multiple speakers at once.
And one track maintaining environmental awareness.
Each track is processed separately to ensure the best balance, even when conversation partners move.
All new conversation partners join.
Each track is processed separately to ensure the best balance, even when conversation partners move.
All new conversation partners join.
Following a conversation in a noisy situation is now easier with G8 technology. Multi-track processing delivers our best sound experience ever in challenging and demanding listening situations.